Okay guys, today it's Saturday. The day is packed with all the stuff which I have to do, which I have to organize. But first we have to go to the gym. I want to do my back training and maybe chest and back. So upper body, but without arms. And I thought, why not filming a POV again? Because now I want to do, I just want to drive around, take you guys with me, and yeah, first of all into the gym. Then I have to wash the car, because the car, it looks, oh god, it looks not good. I have to drive to a birthday where we'll play beach volleyball indoor beach volleyball. So yeah, there I have to drive like on German Autobahn. It's like, I don't know, 40 kilometers away. Yeah guys, I hope you're doing well. Unfortunately it's not sunny today. I like to wash the car when it's sunny, when it's good weather. Then I know it makes sense to wash, because then it's all shiny and yeah. And I hope when I am really lucky when it comes to that, but I hope it's not raining after I'm washing my car. That would be not very good. But let's see. I have to clean the touchscreen, like the interior. I have to really deep clean today. Okay, but first of all, let's go to the gym. I will not film in the gym because, yeah, training. Hey guys, training done. I'm hungry as fuck, but now I have to wash the car first, because yeah, otherwise it doesn't make sense. So yeah, let's wash the car, and then I have also put some gas in, because I don't have any more anymore. So oh god, gas station is crowded. Gas station is crowded. But then I will first wash the car and then put gas in. That's the trick. Okay, let's see. Okay. Now I have to vacuum clean. I love it. It's my routine on a Saturday. So let's remove this sucker. You can see how dirty it is. God damn it. But do you know what I love? To do this. Now it's raining. So like this. See, now it's much cleaner. Now I need a coin. Euro. So guys, what do you say about my winter tires? I love them. Also M Performance, which is quite nice. And let's go. If you need a best practice from my side, always take a space where it's not handy to drive in. So as you can see, there are many spaces, but it's easy to drive in. But here sometimes the vacuum cleaners are not well, like they don't work that good anymore, you know. So always take a space where it's maybe the hardest to drive in, because not many people, a lot of people are very handy, like they want to take the easiest place, you know. Here I have some scratches. The best feeling is if you fill up the gas for your car. I love it. That's one of the best feelings. Like, it's nice if you go to the gym, the feeling after the gym, if you were very thirsty and you drink, nice feeling. But if you fill up the gas before a road trip, that's also nice one. Then one Red Bull, zero or sugar free, and then everything is good. Heading home, and then yeah, I have to prepare some food, eat something, and after that we are driving to the birthday party. It's only 47 kilometers, but the thing is, there is a traffic jam, unfortunately. Let's see how it will go. So we will meet at 3 p.m. so I have plenty of time. I don't want to stress myself too much. Just enjoying the drive. I think I will even not put sport modus on, because it will be very crowded, the streets now, and also the Autobahn, the highway, German highway, Autobahn, it will be crowded, I think. I already see it. Like, it's a Saturday, it's 2 p.m. Of course it will be crowded. I have already winter tires on, and I feel it in the car. They are a little bit louder than my summer tires, and also if I can't drive that sporty. And here the traffic jam, here it comes. But for that reason I have here an energy drink, and I will drink it now. German traffic jams. It is so it is. Good is if you have a motorcycle, then you can, if traffic jams. But now in the rain, it's like also not fun to drive by a motorcycle, right? By a bike. That's also a nice Beamer SUV. I think it's the X3. It looks bigger, but I think it's the X3. Nowadays the X1s look like look like the X3s. The X3s look like X5s. They are making them much bigger, and now the X7s are really huge. But I was always a Beamer fan. Like my all-time favorite car. If I would have that money, I would not think about getting an M3 E92 or E46. I think after this part it will be much better from traffic wise. This guy can't drive. What the fuck is he doing? Okay, here we have to be a little bit careful because there is a speed lighter in front, and this guy should definitely be. This is also the same guy who is driving like an idiot. Okay, there it is. Oh, he's lucky. He saw it. God damn. He have been lucky. This is how I like the roads. When it's crowded like this, it's okay, because now you know you can drive in the middle, you can drive on the left. But if it's too crowded, it's like you don't have fun to drive. Oh, that's a nice one. What is it? Is it a GT? Oh, what a nice car. God damn it. Like, we're almost there. In 5 kilometers I have to leave the Autobahn. So it went well. I assumed it would be worse, but it was fine.